So, day 2, we are prepping for dyeing the battery holders and Nerf bars and the chassis. They've been all clean and whatnot. We're just getting some warm water here, which that's really warm. Get some boiling water, putting them in there. And of course YouTube to help us out on it, make sure we get it right. We got all the RIT dye stuff here. So yeah, this should be easy and fun.
Ow!
Oh yeah.
Oh, do you have to take it?
Oh,
So this is the chassis after it has been dyed. Can't really see, but it's dark green. Looks really good, and let's put it back together. So all we need next is the Nerf bars and springs, which are being dyed. So other than that, everything's good to go, and I can run. Oh, and I need the battery cover. So yeah, Colin's still
I'm attacking this
working on
old
his.
person.